Hello juniors, and welcome back to Computer Systems and Programming. For this video we are going to be going over Project 1, your survey. So the first thing that we are going to be doing is going over the programming process again. The process is as follows. You have the objective, the pseudocode, and the code. So the objective has two parts. First, we must create a one-sentence summary of what our project is supposed to do. Second, we must create a to-do list of tasks we need to do to make this project work. This list doesn't have to be in any specific order, but the list needs to have all of the parts we need for the program to function properly. Next, there is the pseudocode. After we create the objective, we can use it to outline some pseudocode. Pseudocode is formatting the tasks from the objective into the structure of Python. Additionally, all tasks are broken down into their similar parts. This means that there will be a lot more tasks to complete. The more detailed the pseudocode is, the easier it will be to code. As a refresher, the final step is actually coding. If you do all of the other parts correctly, this should be very easy. All you have to do is go down the pseudocode and complete each task. Once you complete all the tasks, you can test the project and find any bugs. We're now going to go over the overview of projects in this class because there are going to be 4 total projects this year. So in this course, we will be completing many projects and they will all use the same structure so that they are easier for you to understand. All of the projects are going to have the following pieces. The first one is the objective, just like the programming process and the simple statement of what the program does and the to-do list. It's going to also have a need to know. In this section, we will provide you with tools you will need to complete the project. So you'll need to check this section to be able to complete this project. We will also explain these tools in the project video, which you are currently watching. For your task, we will just give you a sentence telling you what you need to complete. We will always give you an objective. Sometimes we will provide you with pseudocode. You will always code your projects on your own. Your task will always be outlined in this section. For the pseudocode, sometimes you will get pseudocode from us. This pseudocode is very detailed and will give you basically a step-by-step to complete this program. We suggest you copy-paste the pseudocode into the project module and complete the tasks below the comments like you would in the drills. Delete the comments once you've completed them. If you follow this, you should end with a fully functional program. So your first project is a survey. So now we will begin Project 1. The materials needed are provided below. Here is the objective. The objective is to make a program that can take survey information from the user. The tasks are below. So you will take this right here and put that in the top comments part. You are going to ask your user 5 different questions to get their answers. Here are the questions right here. What is your name? What is your favorite color? What city did you grow up in? What is your best friend's name? And what color hair do you have? Then you're going to want to store the user's answers in variables and print the user's answers out. For this project, you will need to know variables, comments, and inputs. So all of the stuff you have done thus far. Your task is to code the project using the objective and pseudocode given to you. You must also put a starting multi-line comment at the top of your program that says what the program does, so your objective, and who the author is. So to complete this project, you need to follow this process. You need to make a new PyDev project called survey. You're going to need to make a new .py module called survey. You are going to need to write the starting comment, copy and paste the pseudocode into that module, code the project, run the project and check for any bugs, and submit the project on GitHub. So then here is your pseudocode right here. So you are going to copy and paste all of this into Eclipse, and then you are just going to do each of these tasks. So right here you would type your code into Eclipse, and then once you that code is good and you have run it to make sure there's no bugs, you will end up deleting this comment. And then for submission, once this is complete, you're going to submit a link to your shared survey project folder on GitHub. And that is all I have for you guys today. If you have any following questions, please feel free to reach out to me or attend my student hours, and I will see you all later.